what I call maintenance position. So normally, obviously, get the turret board out of here. When your amp is when the amp is in the chassis, it's up like this, and it's facing you right now. The back of it is facing me. When I work on an amp, I kind of feel like I like to have the controls be on the opposite side and the back of the amp toward me. It's just always seemed to work better for seeing what I need to solder and working on it. Of course, you can turn the chassis around if you need to reach something and you can't reach across and get to it. But it just seems easier for me to look at it when the controls are away from me. So obviously, this is the orientation of the amp when you're playing it. When you're working on it, or what I call maintenance position, it's upside down. So I just wanted to point that out, because when it's on the bench, the controls are still facing away from me. The back of the amp is toward me, but the amp is just flipped 180 degrees around and upside down. So what that means is when I'm looking at the layout is oriented in, or is drawn as if you were looking at it in maintenance position. So when you look at the layout here, the controls are out there, the back of the amp is here, the turret board is in the middle right here, and of course we're looking down at the bottom of the amp. So I wanted to point that out because some people can confuse that and think they're looking at this as if the amp is upright, and it is not.